Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot in Outlook. First, you will need to install the HubSpot Sales Web add-in, which is available on Microsoft AppSource. This add-in is recommended over the older desktop version due to recent Microsoft updates. Once installed, connect your Outlook email account within your HubSpot settings. This crucial step ensures a seamless link between your email and CRM, allowing you to begin streamlining your daily tasks immediately. A core feature is the ability to track and log your emails. You can see when recipients open your emails and click on links, providing valuable insights into their engagement. Every email sent can be logged directly to associated contacts, companies, and deals within your HubSpot CRM. This creates a comprehensive communication history, ensuring no detail is missed and offering real-time desktop notifications for immediate follow-up opportunities. Boost your productivity with HubSpot's sales tools right inside Outlook. You can access and use a library of email templates, saving you significant time on repetitive messages. Easily insert meeting scheduling links, allowing prospects to book appointments directly from your email, eliminating back-and-forth communication. Additionally, enroll contacts into automated email sequences to ensure timely and consistent follow-ups. Maximizing your workflow efficiency is simple with this integration. Synchronize your Outlook contacts with HubSpot to keep all your contact lists updated across both platforms. You can view comprehensive CRM details about your contacts directly within Outlook, providing a full 360-degree view of your customer interactions. This reduces manual data entry and helps automate follow-ups and tasks, ensuring consistent and effective communication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.